Namaste, my dear friends. The topic of past life regression always brings about mixed reactions for somebody who is new to it. There is fear as well as fascination. So, let us today understand the science behind this beautiful therapy. As we all know, it is our past that shapes us. This past is not only our childhood, but also our past lives. Why at all past life regression therapy? As I have said, that because our past has shaped us, there is so much that we are carrying from our past lives. Physical traumas, emotional issues, fears and phobias, relationship issues, so many times have their roots in the past lives. If you have ever noticed patterns that are being repeated in your lifetime, very likely, if you do not see the immediate cause in this lifetime, it is coming from the past. It is the nature's way of bringing your attention again and again to this problem that is there so that you can look deeper into it. What is at the root of this issue, and you can actually resolve it. So, how do we at all do this? Just like our childhood memories, our past life memories are there in our subconscious. Usually, it is blocked because, of course, we do not want to mess with our day to day life. But we use this past life regression as a therapy. Going into deeper states, into altered states of consciousness, you can actually visit those memories. And just as you can remember your childhood memories, you can revisit them, you can revisit your past life memories. How does it help? When you relive it, you release all the unresolved conflict, all the unresolved emotions and energy that you're carrying from there. What you need to bring back is just the lesson. Many times in our past lives, there are lessons that may not have been learned, and we are carrying those issues again into our current life so that we can learn those lessons. It is a beautiful way of really growing as a soul. When we can actually visit the past life, we can see, oh, this is the lesson that we need to carry. The past is well served when the lesson is learned. As we know that the root of this therapy is in law of karma. Law of karma is not punishment. Karma also means action. Let us look deeper into our lives. Let us understand why our soul is here. What are the learnings that I want to learn? When we do this, when we understand this, we actually can stop feeling like a victim. There is a lot of power that comes from this place of responsibility when we understand this science. So, welcome, my dear friends. I'd appreciate you to explore this, to join us for the 2 days workshop, Past Life Regression and Spiritual Science, which is organized by Quantum Life University and the AHA Movement. Thank you so much.